Hello, in this video we're going to go over how to solve a standard quantitative problem, aka fancy for a standard math problem that you can actually find on any math test in class or on standardizations. So this is number 49, and I think it's worth noting that this is actually a simple question, especially for some of you that are very comfortable with logarithms. So like I said before, don't let the number actually, make you feel like, okay, this is a hard question. Understand that the ACT has their own idea of what's difficult and what's not difficult. What you're more familiar with is more what's going to define what's difficult or not for you. So log 2 of 8 equals what? Well, what's a logarithm? I've always thought of what a logarithm is it's just an exponent shuffled, right? Where we have a number here, and this is a number, we just don't know what it is. So what I'm going to say is, well, how does that shuffle go? Right? Is this like 2 to the 8? What does that equal? Or is it, something else? What I recognize is that if you go on a calculator and you were to just type in log of 100 equals 2. So it's easier to kind of conceptualize. Log of 100 equals 2. Well, you also want to know that logarithms, when there's nothing put there, you automatically know that it's just a 10. So log 10 of 100 equals 2. Well, what's a shuffle that makes sense here? Well, I know that 10 squared equals 100. So that tells me that this becomes the main number, this becomes the exponent, and this is actually the answer of the exponent. So let me reapply that here. So then that means that 2 becomes the main number, question mark becomes our exponent. We don't know what our exponent is, and we need to know 2 to what power equals 8. Well, 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 times 2, that gives you 8, which tells us that 2 to the third power equals 8, which means that the answer is A. So a great way to show that 49, even though it's high on the scale, not necessarily a difficult question, and that there's also tricks that you can build into your repertoire or your approach to the exam that's going to make things a little bit easier for you and not so stressful to remember. Best of luck. Let me know any questions.